Hello my dears, welcome back to the maths class. In the last class, we discussed about calendar math and also learned about leap year. Today at first, let's revise about leap year. After every 4 years, February has 29 days. That year has 366 days. The year with 366 days is called a leap year. So we can say that leap year comes after every 4 years. Students, let's go to today's session. Look at the calendar of 2019. The year 2019 is a non-leap year. Why is 2019 a non-leap year? Because February 2019 has only 28 days. So, this year has only 365 days. So, the year 2019 is a non-leap year.
The first day in the year 2019 or 1st January 2019 was Tuesday. The last day in the year 2019 or 31st December 2019 was also Tuesday.
So, we can conclude that any non-leap year starts and ends on the same day. Listen to this activity. A part of the calendar for a month is shown here. What is the date in the square mark with the question mark? Students, at first we have to complete the dates in this row. That is, before 16, which date comes here? 15. Before 15, 14. Before 14, 13. After 16, which date is next? 17. After 17, 18. After 18, 19.
Next, let's place the days come on these days. 13th is Sunday, 14th is Monday, 15th is Tuesday, 16th is Wednesday, 17th is Thursday, 18th is Friday, and 19th is Saturday. These 2 days are Friday. The first date comes on Friday is 18th. To find out the next date comes on the same day, we have to add 7 with the given date. That is 18 plus 7 equal 25.
So, the date in the square mark with a question mark is 25. Let's go to another activity. 28th of a month is Wednesday. What day will be the 7th of the same month? 28th of a month is Wednesday. To find out the date of last Wednesday from 28. How do you find? Subtract 7 from 28. That is 28 minus 7. 8 minus 7, 1. And here, this 2. 21. Again, to find out the date of last Wednesday from 21. How do you find? Subtract 7 from 21. That is 21 minus 7. Can you subtract 7 from 1? No. So, we can borrow 1 from this 2. So, this 1 become 11 and this 2 become 1. 11 minus 7, 4. And this 1 is to be placed here. Here, 14. Again,
To find out the last Wednesday from 14, how do you find? Subtract 7 from 14. That is 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7, 7. The day will be the 7th of this month is Wednesday. Next, can you find the sum of 9 numbers in the square? Let's find out the sum of numbers in this square. At first, we have to find the sum of the numbers in this row. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 equal 3 plus 3 equal 6. Then we have to find the sum of numbers in this row. That is 8 plus 9 plus 10. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 10. 17 plus 10, 27. Next, we have to find the sum of numbers in this row. That is 15 plus 16 plus 17. Let's find out the sum of these numbers. 15 plus 16 plus 7. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. For 18, 8 is to be placed here and 1 is carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. 48. So 15 plus 16 plus 17 equal 48. Then let's add together. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. For 21, 1 is here and 2 is to be placed here as a carryover. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. 81. So, the sum of numbers in the square is 81. Instead of adding this, there is a formula to find out the sum of these numbers. That is, the formula is middle number into 9. So, here we have to find the middle number in this square. Which is the middle number here? Yes, 9. Here, 9 is the middle number. The number 9 is to become in the middle. So, 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 81. We get the same answer. So, we can use this formula to find out the sum of the numbers in this box in a part of a calendar. Next, find out the sum of numbers in this calendar part. To find out the sum, there is also a formula, that is middle number into 5. There is a formula to find out the sum of these numbers in this calendar part. That is middle number into 5. Which is the middle number here? Which number comes in the middle? Yes, 20. So, 20 into 5. 20 into 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 2, 10. So, we get the sum 100. Let's check whether this sum 100 is correct. We have to add all these numbers. Let's check. At first, we have to add 19, 20 and 21. 19 plus 20 plus 21. 19 plus 20 plus 21. 9 plus 0, 9. Plus 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 1, 6. 60. Then the remaining two numbers are to be added. That is 13 and 27. 13 plus 27. 13 plus 27. 7 plus 3, 10. 0, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. 40. Then let's add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4, 10. We get the same answer.
Dear students, today's class is over. Thank you.